Hello, in today's video we will unbox and test the HYCHIKA electric mini circular saw, a saw that I intend to use to cut big sheets of plywood in small dimensions for my CNC. Meet the compact circular saw with a 500-watt pure copper motor and 4500 RPM speed. Easily cut wood, metal, plastic, PVC, and more with adjustable cutting depth up to 25 millimeters. Includes parallel guide, vacuum attachment, and multiple blades for clean, accurate cuts every time. Ideal for any DIY or workshop setup. A compact circular saw is an essential tool in any workshop, especially when working on projects where a full-size saw is too bulky or impractical. Its smaller size allows for greater precision and control, making it perfect for detailed cuts, tight spaces, or working directly on site. Whether you're trimming small panels, cutting drywall, or working with delicate materials, a mini circular saw gives you the flexibility and maneuverability you need without compromising power or accuracy. This is the dust collector attachment. The position of the start button is a little unpractical. When testing, I had several times when the saw stopped because my hand forgot about the button. From the small clamp on the side of the blade, you set the depth of the cut. First, I will cut a small piece of 12mm birch plywood. In the first test, I cut through 12mm plywood. For the second test, I'll be cutting a piece of dry oak, 20mm thick. You'll notice that if I push too hard, the saw stops under load, but with normal use, it cuts through the material smoothly and efficiently. Do I recommend this tool? Yes, but the price is a little high compared to other similar brands. Thank you for watching. See you next time.